Most may have a house or a cabin near the lake. For those who enjoy flying, however, there is what's called an air park.
Yeah, there's one in Genesee County where residents live right next to the runway with their planes stored in their garage hangars. WNEM TV5's Eric Horn shows us more of this unique idea.
Everybody talks about, you're like Travolta, you got your 727 in the driveway. And I do. I've got my Cessna.
Tim Drager loves to fly, and now to do it, all he has to do is open the garage door.
Living the dream.
Drager lives at the Horizons Lake Air Park in Linden. The development's about 8 years old and has around 15 to 20 homes. It's designed for people like Drager who want to be able to have their planes at home and hit the skies whenever they want. Drager says he used to keep his plane at Flint Bishop Airport, only 20 minutes from home.
But now I don't have to worry about going back and forth to the airport. I come home, I land, my kids are sleeping in the back seat. We park the plane, we wake them up, they go inside.
The folks that live at the air park think of their airplanes as just another way to get around, much like your car. The only difference is when they go on a trip, they can go a lot farther in a lot less time.
My kids have seen more states, because they're in high school, than I ever saw until I got out of college. And what that's done to their world is dramatically expanded it.
And it's something Drager says his family plans to continue.
My kids have gotten so used to us just jumping in the airplane and being able to go, that to them it's like jumping in a station wagon. And that's, having it in the garage this is our station wagon.
In Linden, Eric Horn, WNEM TV5.
A teenager